Hi, good day everyone. I am CHD from Crystal Spiders Institute. So today guys, we are going to talk about an issue while taking the full database backup. I'm getting this issue. So now the issue is cannot open the backup device. Operating system error 5 access is denied. So let's do that guys. I'm trying to take a backup of the database to the F drive in one of the folder. So I got this error message. So this is what that SQL command guys to take the backup of the CSI database. Database name is the CSI. I'm trying to take backup to the F drive, dbbackups folder. csi.bak is the backup file name. So I'm going to execute this backup command guys. There is no any issues with this backup command. When I execute, I am seeing this error message. It is saying that you do not have access. You means who? Not the user chread. So here that this SQL server src does not having access to open this folder. It is not having access. This SQL server is not having access. So what I'm going to do that now, I'm going to grant access to the SQL server. So either we can do grant access to SQL server on this folder, or else we can change the service account. First of all, we need to know that under which account this SQL server is running. That account is not having access to F drive DB backups. So let's open the configuration manager. So here this is SQL Server Configuration Manager guys, and this is SQL SRC is the server, and it is running under local system account. So this local system account does not having access to this path. So that's why we got this error message. So what I'm going to do that, we can do two things guys. Either you grant access on this folder to the local system account, or else change this service account, the account which is having access. Okay, so basically guys, as a database administrator, I do not have authority to grant access to this local system user on the path, but I'm going to change the account here. I'm going to change the service account. So I'm going to set chd account guys here. So right click on that, go to the properties here, and now it is was set to right now local system. I'm going to change this account, click browse button and advanced button, and find now. So chd is my local account, so I'm going to run this service under this local account chd, and chd is having complete access. This user is administrator, so I'm going to add that user here and enter the password. There should be a password for this account guys, and enter that password. Same password we have to enter 2 times. Okay, it's not new password guys. You already should set a password for this account in this mission. Like if it is your domain account, then that domain level, that account password, you need to set it here. You need to put here. It's not new password, it's already existing user account password, and say yes. And I'm going to say okay. Just wait guys, it is still under processing, that changing the service account. Please wait, just wait. Yeah, so done, and say okay. So now, so for safety guys, just go ahead and restart this service one time, because this is what the new account we set it here. If you enter wrong password, it will not set, it will not take this account guys. You need to enter the correct password. This is restarting guys. Yeah, done. Let's go back to the SSMS component. Now I'm going to execute this SQL command. Just execute now. So now the SQL server successfully taken the backup of this database, and it kept this path. And let's go to this F drive under DB backups folder guys. So here in my laptop F drive DB backups folder, I can able to see the backup file for this database. That's it guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.